Hey guys, I bought this for dinner. Hotdog. And I'm also going to buy some mango shake. This is located in Surigao City Boulevard. Oh my G guys, I was super duper happy to meet my acquaintances from where I grew up, the barangay where I grew up. My guapo and guapa acquaintances. Oh my G, and they're friendly. They were always been friendly. And ding guwapo sila, guwapo samot. My God. Ka mga friendly nila guys. Super duper happy to meet them, Mama G. Murag makawa sa stress basta kani ang sa panitawag kagana sa feeling nga kani ang kuan na meet na sila. I eat with them and also have a chat, and it was good talking to them. It was good that I meet them. You know, I missed all of them. So na all. Basta win, kamingawagin ko sila tanan. Kamingaw tong kuan pa elementary to high school. Kana ang perminti pag mag-upan. Karon nagkabuwag na. Mga classmate na sila guys sa hawang gikan na lugar.